Success without purpose is empty. Dati, success for me, ang ibig sabihin sa akin nun, kailangan malaki ang bahay ko. Kailangan multiple cars, dapat may sports car ka. Dapat sobrang dami mong pera, dapat cash. At kailangan sobrang sikat mo, dapat lahat nagpapapicture sa'yo. Ngayon, na-realize ko, if you're not making an impact sa life ng ibang tao, you're just making noise. That's why, during may pahinga, is nag-start ako ng charity work ng quiet lang, na walang camera, walang lights, camera action. At totoo, I help over 1,000 families during my pahinga. Mas fulfilling yun kaysa pa sa millions of views na nakukuha ko dati. And that's